This is a VisualNeo for Windows moment that I have personally been waiting for 7 years. A modern web browser plugin that is as easy to use as the core browser object itself, that has a list of features as long as your arm, with more planned for our next update, and all in a self-managed, 154 megabyte package. No files to manually add, and nothing complicated to think about. The browser contained is a complete, Microsoft Edge browser, intended for professional commercial use. Rather than wait for a tutorial video, which is indeed coming, we are so pumped for this plugin, we are announcing it here and now. The included help file and sample pubs are super easy to follow, but we'll follow up with a tutorial video just out of principle. Each browser object can load a URL or an HTML file upon startup. You can choose where the browser will store its data. You may offer the selection of a wide array of display options such as built-in error pages, default context menus, certificate error handling, the display of dev tools and control of the browser shortcut keys. You can attach subroutines to actions, including browser ready, content loading, content loaded, before navigation, on navigation complete, on print pop-up close, on PDF print complete, and on export complete. Export is a function that saves HTML files, which are files with the page resources compiled together. Access variables for current address, page title and status text. All the standard navigational commands including commands to test if a next or previous page exists. You can refresh while ignoring cache, or clear cache completely. You can load the browser from a string, and as mentioned, export to HTML. You can also save HTML by using the get source command. You can print your web page to a printer, or directly to an Adobe Acrobat PDF. You can grab the page source or the rendered text in a variable. You can get, set and submit form data. You can replace text on a rendered page, or in the source code, with control over whole word or not, and case sensitivity. You can highlight rendered text in your choice of color, using a built-in color chooser, also with control over whole words or not, and case sensitivity. You can get and set the user agent. You can execute JavaScript, open the dev tool and access the browser task manager. You can control browser zoom and URL redirects. And from your HTML code, you can play an action, trigger a subroutine or set a variable. This opens up a lot of possibilities. And Vadim, we now have lock files for translation ability, thanks to your suggestion. We think you'll find the compatibility, performance, and ease of use very pleasing. We have a lot of very cool features planned already for our next release. If you think this project is cool now, just wait. And like all of our plugins, we take update requests. Please support your neighborhood plugin coder. Thanks for your interest in this project.